Tim Buckley. I'm not too sure if I'm going to call the weather miraculous. I am going to call it just excruciatingly painful.
Ooh, you know it is, isn't it? It'll be miraculous when it's over, maybe. But this heat wave is nowhere close to over. It's been getting worse day by day over the last several days, just inching its way a little bit hotter, and we're not done yet. Check out the 7-day forecast. We'll start off with tomorrow. Even hotter than today, right there in the upper 90s at PTI is what I'm expecting. Going down only slightly, but, you know, let's not kid ourselves. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, still at 91 degrees. That's hot weather right here in the middle of June. We're still seeing that heat stay in place. Here's tomorrow. I'm really looking at that dangerous heat and humidity out there. That heat index going to be right around 100 and even above that. Heading into Wednesday, that's when we'll maybe start to get a chance of storms back in place. No chance of storms the rest of today or even tomorrow. And here are some of the temperatures our weather spotters have been seeing. Mid 90s across much of the Piedmont, even upper 90s in spots today. One of those spots down in Randolph County. I do want to switch over to our weather spotter network and get a live check-in. You know, we got these guys all over the Piedmont, from Virginia into the southern Piedmont as well. Jonathan Jones checking in from Randleman. Jonathan's there, and your little one there too. How's it going, Jonathan?
Yeah, me and Audrey both agree it's very hot today. Here in Randleman, I'm reporting a current temperature of 97 after a high of 98.
Whew, 98. And when was the last time you were that hot? How old was your kid when the last time it was that hot?
I don't even know if she was a thought in our heads yet.
You got it. You know, it's been a long time since we've seen this heat. Thanks so much, Jonathan, for that report. We appreciate it. Stay cool out there in Randleman the rest of tonight. We're going to keep this heat around for a long time. And if we hit 97 tomorrow, which I think we will, it'll be the hottest day since July 8th back in 2012 when we were 100 degrees. So yeah, it's been almost 3 years since we've been this hot. A couple of cool summers in there as well. Last couple haven't been that hot, but that extreme heat definitely back in the triad. It's all coming in from the south. The heat wave in full effect. North, South Carolina both, and Georgia enduring the worst of this heat wave. And tomorrow probably the worst day of it so far, with upper 90s all around the state. Did want to mention this, a possibly tropical system moving into Texas really shortly. It sure looks like it on satellite, doesn't it? All these storm tracks taking it right into the heart of Texas. Whether it's a named storm or not, they're going to get a whole lot of rain that they can't handle. Several inches of rain to the Houston area. We'll be talking about that over the next couple of days there. Right now, 73 degrees is all we'll cool down to overnight tonight, and even at midnight, it's still going to be in the 80s out there. Just a very muggy one for sure. Tomorrow's the hottest day of the bunch. 97 for that high. The heat index is over 100 at times, especially east. The farther east you go toward Raleigh, the hotter it's going to get, and that's where a heat advisory is in effect for tomorrow. And the next couple of days after that, still in the mid 90s and even low 90s for the weekend. I don't think we see any big time relief, except for maybe some downpours at times for the rest of this week. Coming up, we got sports. Stay with us for News 2 at 6.